I already went ahead and unboxed my keyboard book cover. I felt there was no need to really show you what it looks like unboxing it, but this is all that came in that box. Now, with the Galaxy Tab, opens up like that, and again we have this feature with the tab here that just comes up. We also have a pen, and this one is a lot thicker than what you would see on your S22 Ultra. I'm curious if this would actually work on the phone as well, and I kind of like how it's bigger. It's easier to write with, but you know, obviously they had to slim down with the phone because, well, it's a phone, it had to be integrated. And right here is probably just some information. Yeah, we have some information in there. Looks like a little sim tools in there in the manual. And then, of course, our power cable, which ironically is white. This is supposed to be a granite tablet, so we'll have to check that out, make sure that the color is correct. But white, I'm not sure about the white being with the granite tablet, but hey, a cable's a cable, and this one is actually really, really long. So let's go ahead and peel open this part. So honestly, it looks like a dryer sheet. I'm not gonna lie, that's what the material seems like. And it's kind of weird and interesting, but I'll take it. And ooh, oh wow. Yeah, that is, wow, that is crisp and clean, I must say. Oh, buddy. That is really nice. So here we have a speaker, and then on the adjacent side we have a speaker as well. We have our USB-C port down below, and it looks like our SIM card tray, which isn't a SIM card tray, it's a SD card tray, is right there. Now you can get this with cellular. I think it only comes with Verizon though. So if you want one with cellular, you're going to have to go to Verizon and get that. Over here we do have our power button and our volume rocker. And it looks like we have a microphone port up here. We have a microphone over here. And on this side, there's no microphone port. But it looks like actually we have two speakers on each side of this device. So you're definitely getting a lot of sound, unless this is ventilation. I'm not sure. We'll have to test it to see 100% if this is ventilation on each side or if this is a speaker. And then of course on the bottom part we have these two little holes. That's going to be for our keyboard. And then obviously we have this little magnetic part here, and I'm assuming that's just for the keyboard. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you the look real quick. The granite, the back of it. Just one more time. And I forgot all about the camera. So we do have a flash on the camera. Two cameras, dual cameras on the front and the back. And there's a microphone in the center right here. You guys probably can't see that. And then on the front side, there's just two cameras, no microphone. Put this on real quick, and it should be pretty easy. Should be magnetic, maybe, possibly. All right, perfect. We got the back on. And here's the soft keyboard, soft touch. Be like your regular laptop with the keys. A little harder to type on it if you're used to mechanical like I am. And then of course you have your touchpad that also has a mouse in it as well. I wonder if it's just one button or if there is a right and left click. I can't really tell. So let's put this on. And wow, that snapped on perfectly. So with the book cover, looks sort of like this. And we have a back here. And oh, I like that design. So you can go in a whole bunch of different directions with this keyboard cover, or the book cover. And as you can see on the bottom here, it is a hinge all the way across. It's almost like a door hinge. And I don't want to stretch it any farther than that, but that would be like almost nearly flat. And you can go whatever angle you desire for the back, which is extremely nice. And then of course back here we have this little, I guess, pen holder we can put, and it's very magnetic. We can take our pen here and just fit it in like that. And okay, awesome. So let me go ahead and boot this up real quick, get everything set, and I'll show you what the screen looks like. Maybe we'll play some sound out of it, and yeah, so see you guys in a second. So we are booted up. I connected to the internet. We're gonna go ahead and head over to YouTube real quick, and we'll just play one of my videos, why not? Hey everyone, how's it going? Brandon here. So today we have an unboxing. This is our phone case for the S22 Ultra. I'm super excited. Got the VRS design. This is the the Glide series hybrid. So I got this case because I love it. Sound coming out of all four ports that I was talking about. So it is a wallet as well as a... I'm not sure how loud this is. It also has a kickstand, so the kickstand... Okay, that's softer. Still, this is probably going to be the biggest flaw to the phone case, as it's just a plastic bracket. Plastic on plastic with metal. That is loud. At the top. That is really loud. This is obviously still going to be the weak point. It's actually so loud. It's actually shaking. It's vibrating the screen and everything a little bit. So let's take it down quite a bit because I don't want to damage the speakers in it. So we will actually just... I'm gonna look up no copyright music. When you actually have it facing you, like this, you kind of get the effect that there's surround sound, which is really cool. And I feel like I'm immersed into the actual, whatever I'm watching, I feel like I'm actually in it. Because you're hearing the sound from both sides and it's coming straight to your ears, which is pretty awesome because most of the time, you know, you have it like one direction right at you. So I really do enjoy the sound, and both the phone and the tablet, they're really awesome. It's a pretty good song. I might have to save it too. So, I mean, that's the unboxing. That's a first look at this tab. Let's get a completely white screen so you can see what the bezel looks like. Pretty much what it is. So the bezel isn't that bad on it, and it's very, very limited. I would say maybe a 1/4 inch bezel all the way around the screen, and then of course you have your notch at the top for your cameras up here. But other than that, it seems very lightweight. I don't know if this could ever replace my laptop per se, but it will definitely be useful in real estate and maybe even drawing designs and stuff like that. So I highly recommend, if you don't have a tablet and you're thinking of getting one, go ahead and go out and get yourself a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Ooh, and by the way, the pen sticks up here. Didn't know that. Now I do. So that's really cool. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for all the support. I know we're getting quite a few subscribers now and a lot of views. I hope my videos are helping you out. Take it easy. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next one. We're going to do tests on both the phone and the tablet. So stay tuned until then. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.